Pool of blood. Do you think she's involved? I don't know about she's involved. I can do a different session where we can talk about her. I'm not. I don't think she's involved. I don't think she's involved in the murder. But yes, there are a lot of questionable things that she has not answered, which even recently, when she tried to promote this young lawyer who came out trying to promote suicide theory, that for that I actually sent on Twitter also, I sent a message to her. She is the first one that I have actually sent the dead body videos and everything. जब Republic पे आ रही थी, this is what I'm talking about. I still have the DM. I DM'd her all the videos because मैंने August 19th को ही वो dead bodies का वीडियो बनाया था. 2 dead bodies जो बेड पे दिख रही है और जो साइड में जो डेड बॉडी की तरह दिखता है, राइट, फ्लोर पे, एंड देन यू सी इट different on the bed. So that thing on the bed showing it, I can say that I was the first one doing that video on that. Okay, August 19th को ये मैंने किया था, but nobody really talked about it. Now I see people talk about it, which is great. And we also talked about it on our sessions, with Varun also long back. But ये चीज मैंने August 19th को किया था, जिसको बहुत लोगों ने वॉच किया था, एंड वो डिलीट हो गया था मेरा वीडियो, बिकॉज YouTube removed it, whatever self harm category or whatever they removed it. So at that point मुझे ये जो अपील करने का प्रोसेस ये सब नहीं पता था यूट्यूब का, because I came on to YouTube only on August. That was my first video I did, right? So what I had done was I had just gone, edited a little bit, and then in October again I uploaded the same video, editing it a little bit, trying to see if that works. And then it is on and it is there after October. But again they have restricted my video, which is fine, totally fine, as long as it's there, right? तो जब वो बात हुआ था अगस्त में, मैंने जब वो रिपब्लिक पे शी स्टार्टेड कमिंग, आई हैड सेंट हर दोस वीडियोस इन डीएम. I first of all, I never got any reply from it, but I always have wondered why she is not talked about other body. That is one. Again, there is questionable thing that when she says pool of blood, for that also I have a reason that it could be possible that if she would have known something from the family, from Mitudi or something, then that might be something that she would not come out in the open and talk about it, correct? So there is also a reason for it, if that is it. But again, if that is there, then she can't come out and really reason it out कि मैंने वो क्यों बोला था. That is my point in my head, that's all going on. But again, वो जो अभी recently उसने वो जो, she didn't put it on Twitter, okay, because Twitter पे SSRians बहुत लोग question करने लगेंगे. She went ahead, she put it on her Instagram and showing that this person has put a case on these people for nepotism, whatever, right? But वहाँ पे murder तो था ही नहीं कहीं पे, and I don't trust that person who has come. I mean, I wish him all the best, because probably starting his law, he's a law student. So in order to get more coverage, to come out as a law student, as a lawyer, people will do such things. And अभी क्या hot topic चल रहा है, SSR. तो of course SSR के ऊपर केस करेंगे कुछ ना कुछ, right? इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है, इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. It's not like they're going to go catch somebody for nepotism. Are they going to catch somebody? No, they can't go catch, put Karan Johar in jail for nepotism. They can't, right? Nepotism topic is a very different kind of topic. It's up to them. अगर वो किसी के साथ movie नहीं बनाना चाहते, you can't legally catch hold of these people. So what is the use when you're putting a case and telling ki, and actually promoting only nepotism there? They're telling that वो nepotism, mental depression और इसकी वजह से उनका ये हुआ है, so इसलिए मैं केस डाल के इनके ऊपर फाइट करूंगा. What's the use of that? So I don't trust that. It's all just to come out in the open and promote yourself. So that's all that whoever that dude came out, he's just promoting himself. Nothing else he's doing. उस चीज को मुझे ये हुआ कि मैं स्मिता बाई को पहले से सपोर्ट करती आ रही हूँ, राइट? आई हैव सीन हर गुड थिंग्स. शी इज द फर्स्ट वन, आई विल टेल यू, हु केम आउट एंड टोल्ड अस एंड अबाउट एआई कोविड, दैट ही वाज वर्किंग ऑन एआई कोविड. ये किसने हमें बताया था? उसने बताया था, राइट? अदरवाइज वी वुड हैव नॉट इवन ड्वेल्ड इनटू द एआई कोविड थिंग व्हेन बेबी पेंगुइन केम आउट विद इट, करेक्ट? सो ये जो पेटेंट्स के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये सब शी केम एंड टोल्ड अस. So I cannot forget that. I will give credit to her for that. And do not forget that she was sitting with the lawyer at that time when she was on Republic and telling this. And I know many people keep telling ki इसको कैसे पता कि व्हाट इज दैट, एसएसआर का, इसको कैसे पता कि एसएसआर डर रहा था कि मैं अभी मुझे मार डालेंगे, ये इसको कैसे पता? इसको इसीलिए पता है क्योंकि क्लियरली अगर आप वो वीडियो देखेंगे रिपब्लिक पे, शी इज टेलिंग कि नीतू दीदी टोल्ड हर. So she was only conveying what Neetu Di had told, what the family had told. That is what she was conveying. And if you see that video, बगल में विकास सिंह जो कि फैमिली के लॉयर है वो भी बैठे हुए हैं and agreeing with her. That itself to me tells that whatever she was saying and telling about family is valid at that point, correct? That I will never forget till now. That is the reason I was supporting her. And जब भी कुछ बात आता था, I was trying to give her a benefit of doubt. But possible कि अभी उनको भी लग रहा है कि इसमें कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, and maybe she is also changing, doing a U-turn. Possible, that is possible, right? And I don't trust she was like a very close friend of SSR, क्योंकि but मैंने पहले भी बोला है कि अलग अलग टाइप के फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. She was someone who knew Sushant's sister and brother-in-law also very well, and they would invite all three of them for all this kind of, when she does literature, when she does her NGO stuff, when that time she would have invited. And इन लोगों को कोई चीज, कोई सेलिब्रिटीज चाहिए होता है अपनी चीज को प्रमोट करने के लिए, पैसा डालने के लिए, इन्वेस्टर्स चाहिए होते हैं. So that's when she has caught hold of Sushant, and Sushant would have helped her a lot in all this kind of stuff, right? That way she is a friend. I know बीच में बहुत सारा exaggeration किया है उसने. I have caught those things where she is exaggerating about certain things, that, you know, about him telling something or whatever, that I don't believe. But that doesn't take away the fact that she had come and told what Neetu Didi had told to her, not what she thought. Okay, so let's not forget that fact that she mentioned Neetu Didi. So my question now to her on Twitter was that ये जो mental depression ये सबका था, इसको, and I told her very nicely also that I have trusted you till now. I have given you benefit of doubt every time somebody has come and told something. I've thought in my mind that you may have a reason to do it. But this one that you put the mental depression thing on Twitter, why did you do that? Like, please answer. She never answered back. So, you know, I don't know how much to trust her, right? So now अगर उन्होंने in U-turn ले रहे हैं तो then we don't know. So, but basically वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि पहले से जो भी चीजें कुछ कुछ बोली होगी वो है. No, she's not. Yeah, Rekha ji is telling no, she's not. Like I said, I don't like believe like she's involved in murder. That, yes, I don't believe that. She may know about it. She may know about people who are involved. She may know about things. And we have seen that there was an audio recording which came out when she's saying that Paramveer has been on my this thing for a long time. She's Paramveer's friend for 15. All that is possible, correct? That still doesn't prove that she's involved in the murder. That doesn't prove that, right? Of course, these are the people who have connections with everybody, right? SSR had connection with Khatri. He was close to Khatri and सूरज पंचोली. Like वो जो ग्रुप में हमेशा पिक्चर्स देखा है आपने, अपने डीनो के साथ उसका पिक्चर देखा है जहाँ पे वो इतना क्लोजली बैठा हुआ है. इसका मतलब हम थोड़ी ये बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, he was very close friend and they didn't ditch him. No, right? In the end, कौन है culprits? हमारे culprits तो वही है ना, अभी भी डीनो है, कतरी है. So you, whenever you see something, also just seeing something is not enough. Analyze it in your head and see what is going on. Just don't see something and say अच्छा ऐसा हो सकता है, वैसा हो सकता है. No, you have to analyze everything, the incidents, what's happening, day one से क्या हो रहा है, सब कुछ देखो, analyze करो, उसके बाद decide करो कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. हाँ, okay, so many comments came in. Okay, let me see. अच्छा, मैं वो वीडियो दिखाने वाली थी आप लोगों को. Third good one. Thank you, Arinya ji. I don't know which one you're talking about because मैं थोड़ा लेट में देख रही हूँ. हेमा जी, what's your, अच्छा वो तो मैंने अभी बात कर लिया. But I can do another session on each and every point she has told, right? I will do a session on that. Each and every point she has told. Like I said, I'm always a person who gives benefit of doubt. I do. Because I want to see the good side of people, not the bad side of people. But वो benefit of doubt दे के भी, reasoning दे के भी अगर work नहीं करता है, that is when I will put the allegation. I'm not going to direct just because somebody is saying कि अरे मैं SSR का fan नहीं हूँ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि I'll say अरे you're not an SSRian and you should not be in the movement. You should not do this. You should not. I'm not that. I'm not that person. I don't judge people like that. Rekha ji agree. She is fighting for justice for SSR, right? Arinya ji is saying yes, you were the first one. I saw it last year. Yes, she is talking about the two bodies जो bed पे मैंने दिखाया था last year. जो आज तक किसी ने इसके ऊपर उठा के बात नहीं किया है. They have always dismissed that fact that bed के ऊपर जो दिखता है. आजकल मैं देख रही हूँ yes, सब चैनल पे जाके लोग बात कर रहे हैं या चैनल्स पे बात कर रहे हैं, which is a good thing because it is very suspicious, which I had showed long back. Joined you so late. It is fine, Deepa ji. I actually did it also very late. Actually, I did late. Actually, I didn't do it fast because before this मैं late में उठी. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा कुछ और चैनल का कुछ चल रहा था. तो as I was doing other stuff, I was like doing work and trying to watch that. But then I thought कि I saw this protest video and then I came online just to kind of share that protest thing. But then I just continued the session now. विच आई थिंक आज मेरा बहुत लंबा दिन जाएगा क्योंकि इस सेशन के बाद एक और एनालिसिस है जो मैं करूंगी बट यू गाइस कैन वॉच इट लेटर एंड देन कल फिर एक सेशन करूंगी वो अर्ली करूंगी so you guys can join in that I'll send you the StreamYard for that. Well, then abetment to suicide would not be in the FIR. If Hema ji, if Meetu ji saw all that, then abetment नहीं, it is still possible Arinya ji because देखो अगर उसने कुछ देखा भी होगा, अगर फैमिली कुछ जानती भी होगी, बट उनके पास प्रूफ कहाँ है? Without proof, they know ki how powerful this cabal is, right? If they even thought in their mind ki he might have got involved with a lot of these kind of people, then also they would not have any proof to put that on and they would be more scared to do that. Whereas if they do a suicide, abetment to suicide, right? If they do that, that can always be converted eventually looking at how the situation is going on. बाद में वो convert हो सकता है, right? If CBI finds something, because the main thing वो CBI आ जाए अंदर. बट किसको पता कि सीबीआई आके एक साल तक या साइलेंट रहेगा, वो किसी को पता नहीं है, करेक्ट? सो इट इज सो पॉसिबल अगर वो जानती भी होगी फिर भी उन्होंने सोचा होगा कि हम रिया से शुरू करते हैं बिकॉज रिया का उनके पास प्रूफ था बिकॉज महेश शेट्टी केम फॉरवर्ड एंड गेव देम सर्टेन थिंग्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एफआईआर वाज पुट. अदरवाइज दे वुड नॉट हैव प्रूफ फॉर एनीथिंग. मे बी दे वुड हैव जस्ट बीन क्वाइट. वो भी हो सकता है that if they knew that how powerful people are involved, they probably they would have opted to even be quiet. But because कुछ चीजें आए महेश शेट्टी से, they thought ठीक है हम लोग एटलीस्ट रिया को पनिश करते हैं, रिया को एटलीस्ट में ट्रैक करते हैं, and that's why they did that. Yes, the credit for that, and she is constrained to reveal the actual killers by the Mahapolice and government. Salman Khan was invited to the Gujarat to fly kites. He's invited anywhere, everywhere. Like I said, he has big influence on people. That's why they invite him. तो अभी हमारा टाइम है, हम लोग दिखाए कि इसका इन्फ्लुएंस कुछ नहीं चलता, इसको कहीं मत बुलाओ, इसको अगर बुलाओगे कहीं तो हम लोग इसको फॉलो नहीं करने वाले हैं. सो ये हमें दिखाना पड़ेगा अभी, राइट? नाउ दैट वी नो what's going on and how this whole thing works, right? This whole PR thing works. So we will work towards that. We will ban them everywhere. If we ban them, then they have no followers. Then nobody will go to them. Politicians won't care about them if we do that. Honorable, let people be, stop judging, let things reveal themselves. Wasting time, energy, contradicting people who are working in favor of Sushant is not smart. Exactly. Instead, chase the politicians, chase the system, try to change the system. Correct. Exactly, Swapna ji, you told very good point. Chase the law enforcement. जो चीजें अभी चल रही है ना उसको chase करो. Chase, stop chasing this, saying fake SSRians है या ये fake peddlers है, ये है, वो है. Focus on the things that are need to be done. Wrong info about it. I don't know about wrong or right. I know Vibhor also has been right in some things. He may be wrong in some things, but he is right in some things. That's why I don't talk about against him either. Deepa ji. Yes, I mean, we have caught that long back. Long back, we have caught the bluffs, right? So, do a session. Yes, I will do on every point that we have, right? Try to see where we can give a benefit of doubt, where we cannot. Old matter. Oh, one more question. What do you think? Why CBI is not coming out with the result? Because whatever evidence they have, find them did much earlier. Right. They would have found everything much earlier, Akashji. I don't know why they're not coming out. Like I said, I don't have contact with people, right? I don't have people in the back end telling me something or anything that's going on with CBI. So I only have to trust what I see. For me, even though in the back of mind, I'm hoping because CBI has not come with anything, that everything is still open. So that way, I'm keeping a positive note that, okay, you know what, something good will happen. But again, that has another side to it, right? If they're not coming out like that, that is also maybe because they are scared to come out and say it is suicide, because they know that if they say it is suicide, then ho sakta hai, like they know keep people how people will react, everybody will react. So the only thing I would go by is what family is saying and what the lawyer is telling. And if you see a month, I think it's a month now already, when the lawyer came out and said that that CBI has done nothing, right? Till now, we are not like nothing. They have not done, and he clearly said that they have not done custodial interrogation yet, which we don't understand why not. That is why I brought that point up at that time, because that is what only we can go on. Because agar family ke sath CBI contact mein hai, then we can only go on by what they are saying and trust that. We can't like trust all politicians coming and saying, nahi, nahi, CBI kaam kar raha hai, don't worry, you know, they're independent agency. I don't trust that. That I cannot trust. I will trust what the lawyer is telling, what family lawyer is telling or family is telling. That is what I will go by. Okay. Sorry, guys. Yeah, my son is, I guess they're playing video games, so he was shouting. So I think you can't hear it. I have a headphone on, but I didn't know whether you can hear it. That's why I was like shouting at him back. Okay. So yeah, so that's why I don't know. I think we still have to keep putting pressure on the agencies because they are not coming out, and we do need answer. इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है जबकि सब कुछ उनको एविडेंस मिलना चाहिए था. टाइम लेके उनको एक्स्ट्रा एविडेंस नहीं मिलने वाला है. सो दैट्स द पॉइंट. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दे आर नॉट कमिंग आउट विद एनीथिंग. आई नो दे दैट लॉयर्स एंड ऑल दे कीप कमिंग एंड टेलिंग कि नहीं उनको पक्का प्रूफ चाहिए ना. अच्छा ठीक है, पक्का प्रूफ चाहिए, ओके, बट बाय बाइंग टाइम हाउ आर दे गेटिंग पक्का प्रूफ? दैट्स अगेन समथिंग आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. क्योंकि पक्का प्रूफ का मतलब क्या है? सीसीटीवी वो उनको मिल जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर उन्होंने, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो दे शुड हैव इंटरोगेटेड द पुलिस हु बॉस्ड अप एवरीथिंग. The evidence was botched up by police. We have seen it was a picnic spot. There people were there everywhere. There were hundreds of people there. And has anyone in that people that we have been exposing from day one, has anyone been interrogated? The people that we are seeing and we're showing are a yellow shirt, red shirt, pink shirt, a cap, o cap. We're showing everybody, right? From day one, we have showed it. But has anybody looked at that? Those people? No. Has CBI interrogated the ambulance guys? No. Has CBI interrogated the staff? Only thing we know, they interrogated those 4-5 staff people, right? Did we hear about anything? First of all, Deepesh Sawant is one big name that we never, I think, NCP had him, but then they let him go. After that, is he in the charge sheet? We don't know. So there is no clarity anywhere about this staff. And Deepesh Sawant is one person who has not been there in any of the videos also on that particular day. Even Pitani was not on the videos because of course they were inside. We only saw them in one video where वो बैक में दिखते हैं, जहाँ पे वो पता चलता है कि वो पिटानी है करके. बैक ऑफ द हाउस का एक क्लिप है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस हैव सीन इट, but if you are not, I'll share it some other time. Because most of the time I'm mostly interacting in Twitter. Because whole week I cannot really do anything on the video. So even if I find something, I just interact on Twitter. But what I'm saying is none of that has been focused on. And the main thing is police. Police itself is involved here, right? Mumbai police जो involved है, जिसमें सिर्फ अभी सचिन वाजे, प्रदीप शर्मा ये सब चक्कर ये में आए हैं. त्रिमुखे का क्या हुआ, जो एक्चुअली मेन था उस दिन, राइट? जो रिया के साथ बात कर रहा था. And all the cops who were there that day, all the people who went there, even if they were forensic people who went after 2 days or whatever, who is going to interrogate them? The person who were there in that room that day. the person who were covering the covers, the ambulance guys who were covering the body, everybody, if they interrogate them, only then they will get to it. वो कब चल रहा है? Cooper Hospitals के doctors, क्या have anybody been called? No. Then what are they doing? This is the proof, right? तो अगर वो proof collect कर रहे होंगे एक साल से, then I will be wrong and I will retrieve my statements back, what I'm telling right now. But so far we don't know that all that has been done or it's going on. I can only hope it's going on, just because we are seeing कि whether even if it is going through NIA and ED, अभी हमने देखा कि संजय राउत को भी समन किया गया. आई मीन वो तो एक्चुअली पहले से ही समन किया गया था शायद, बट कल हमने देखा कि सचिन वाजे को ईडी ने समन किया है एंड दे हैव गॉन टू द जेल टू टॉक टू सचिन वाजे. दैट वाज द न्यूज़ यस्टरडे, राइट? सो बिकॉज ऑफ दीज थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, आई एम समहाउ कीपिंग होप दैट शायद बैक एंड में शायद सीबीआई इज डूइंग थिंग्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव नॉट कम अप. सो both of the things I'm seeing, but I'm still going to raise questions on CBI until they come out with something. Hummingbird is saying, don't forget Smita's tweets timings on Twitter. Several of her tweets promoting suicide theory, and possibly she was following. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe now she might have done a U-turn and trying to follow something, right? Just because maybe वो भी देख रही होगी कि इसमें कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, मैं अपने आप को क्यों फंसाऊं इसमें, तो मैं भी यही चला देती हूँ. वो हो सकता है, राइट? बट जो पहले से वो जो कर रही थी एंड जो चीजें उसने बताया था, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग बहुत कुछ जान पाए, वो मैं डिस्क्रेडिट कभी नहीं करूंगी. Later on chat with Riya saying why is nahi, see that you Hummingbird, that you can still say, क्योंकि अगर if I am not, that's what I'm saying, she was not that close to SSR to know what's going on, right? So वो SSR जो भी इवेंट्स में बुला रही होगी, तो वो SSR को बुला रही होगी, उसके गर्लफ्रेंड को बुला रही होगी, एंड दोनों को बुला रही होगी. So she is only having that kind of a relation with them, right? So it is so possible that she is saying, because if you see within in that June जब हुआ था, तब मैंने भी सोचा था कि शायद सुसाइड हो सकता है, करेक्ट? फॉर ऑलमोस्ट दैट मंथ वेयर वी कैन क्वेश्चन हर, अरे ये तो बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड थी, तो व्हाई इज शी सेइंग लाइक दैट? बट वही मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, शी वाज नॉट दैट क्लोज टू हिम टू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन हिज लाइफ. शी वाज नॉट दैट क्लोज, ओके? So she could not have known what is going on in his life, and that's why maybe she, and when she's talking to Riya, of course she would be telling ki, what happened, why did this happen, or did he do suicide? ऐसे ही बात करेगी ना उससे, तो स्टार्टिंग में तो ऐसे ही बात करेगी, right? It's only later on that it would have come up. So those are not like a very big points that I would bring up. But the point here is she was not close to him to know what is going on in his life. Simple as it is. Because if that was the case, then she would have gone there on the 14th itself to see him, to see his body, or, to see him. She would have gone to Mont Blanc. But she was not. She was not this thing. The pool of blood Rekha Singh was not, rather it was. No. Pool of blood की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं बोल रही हूँ जब AI कोविड और जब मीतू सिंह के बारे में वो बोल रही थी, राइट? स्टार्टिंग में जब रिपब्लिक पे आई थी, विकास सिंह भी थे, एंड व्हाट शी वाज रिलेइंग कि SSR बोल रहे थे कि अब मुझे मार डालेंगे. वो जो बातें है ना, बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स हैं जो बोल रहे हैं कि वो कैसे ऐसे बोल रही थी, उसको कैसे पता. बट इफ गो एंड सी दैट रिपब्लिक वीडियो अगेन, शी इज क्लियरली सेइंग कि मीतू दीदी ने बोला है मुझे, मीतू दीदी. एंड इवन रिपब्लिक में अर्नब सेज, सो यू आर कन्वेइंग व्हाट द फैमिली इज टेलिंग यू, एंड शी इज सेइंग यस, एंड देयर इज विकास सिंह आल्सो सिटिंग देयर. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. एंड दिस इज अबाउट हर सेइंग दैट वो डर रहा था, जो भी हुआ था उस दिन, वो बात जो बोल रही थी, वो मीतू दीदी से जो उनको पता था वो बोल रही थी उस दिन. अच्छा, Arinya ji is saying last Young lawyer, that is what I'm saying, Hummingbird. That is the one I questioned. I questioned her on Twitter. I sent a Twitter this thing to her questioning that, but of course she's not going to answer me. When one overall sees her accumulative actions, she comes out shady. Correct. Yes, she comes out shady because, see, this is the thing. Because there might be a lot of illegal activities that these people also do in the back, right? तो इसीलिए जब आगे ये सब आ जाता है, तो इनको भी थोड़ा डर लगता है कि SSR के चक्कर में मेरी जो चीजें मैं करती हूँ वो कहीं बाहर ना जाए. You are understanding my point? So that is where she is shady for sure. Yes, I will. अभी स्टीव पिंटो का जितना है मुझे उतना ही मैं बोल सकती हूँ, क्योंकि अभी स्टीव पिंटो का एक्चुअली जो हम लोग फॉलो करते थे, जिसमें मैंने एक कनेक्शन एक्चुअली निकाला था टू ए एनजीओ दैट सुशांत आल्सो माइट बी कनेक्टेड टू. इट वाज ए टोटली डिफरेंट एनजीओ, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज वहां पे वो जो कनेक्शन करने के लिए मैंने जो वो सब रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया मैंने, तो अभी उनका जो इंस्टाग्राम है वो प्राइवेट हो गया है. एंड दैट इज अगेन अनदर पॉइंट दैट आई एम थिंकिंग, is Steve Pinto alive? Is that why his Instagram went, not Instagram, sorry, whatever, yeah, Instagram, correct, went private? Or is it somebody else handling that Instagram and now it went private? Or if it was really Steve Pinto and he's thinking कि अब तक already सबने share कर चुके हैं जो भी वो बोलना चाहता था, so maybe now he went private for safety reasons. So कुछ भी हो सकता है, but his account is private. Somebody else, I think सोहम या कोई बोल रहा था कि उनका एक और अकाउंट भी है. आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ दैट. आई ओनली नो द अकाउंट दैट इज स्टीव पिंटो 37 एंड वो प्राइवेट हो गया है अभी. सो अगर आपको मैं बोलती भी हूँ मैं क्या कैसे उनका कनेक्शन करके दिखाऊं वो मुश्किल होगा. बट वी कैन ओनली गो बाय वॉट एवर इज आउट देयर राइट नाउ इन ट्विटर, सोशल मीडिया एंड वॉट एवरीबडी हैज शेयर्ड. उतना ही बात कर सकते हैं. एंड स्टीव पिंटो के बारे में तो अच्छा अच्छा वीडियोस ऑलरेडी बहुत लोगों ने किया है, डिसाइफरिंग देयर हिज पोस्ट. सो इट्स आउट देयर, राइट? सो यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दैट. Deepa ji is telling boycott Bollywood. Yes. Yeah. Deepa ji, Deepesh was present in Pitani's marriage even. He was present, okay. क्योंकि मैंने उसका फेस कहीं नहीं देखा है. Other than just one video I have not seen his face like anywhere, and that's why I'm like, and nobody is talking about him now. I think उसने शायद एनसीबी के ऊपर भी उसने कुछ केस डाला हुआ था एट दैट टाइम जब उसको पकड़े थे ड्रग केस में, राइट? पहली बार. उसके बाद even एनसीबी is not focusing on him, rather they're focusing on Pitani, which I don't understand. That's why I feel like वो जो पिटानी के ऊपर फोकस है वो शायद सीबीआई की वजह से है, वो मुझे लगता है. Because he's the one that is prime witness. He and Deepesh actually both are, right, for the body. So Deepesh, why is he out of the picture? I don't understand that. Even with NCB, they're not talking about Deepesh, which is very strange to me. Because there is a clear video of him, smoking weed. And I think that might be SSR home. I'm not sure if it is, but so I have no idea why the focus is not on him, and we need to bring the focus back on him. And I do not have much pictures of him. I do have some video of him which can give a clear picture of his face, and also I think a Facebook account ka something that we can connect. But yeah, I will do video on those people who we are not talking much about, which is Samuel Miranda and Deepesh. I don't know how much Keshav and Neeraj would be involved, but of course, all the staff need to be interrogated. Custodial interrogation needs to be done to get to anything. How did you shoot at 1:30 to taking 1 p.m. Keymaker? देखो 1 p.m. को Keymaker आया था. I know. No, I don't think so. 1 p.m. को. How do you know that 1 p.m. को Keymaker आया? Okay, this is something I have to analyze properly, क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत कुछ होता है टाइमिंग के बारे में जो हमेशा जब हम लोग एनालाइज करते हैं तो डिबंक हो जाता है. सो जैसे कि बहुत चल रहा है कि सुबह को पुलिस था वहां पे. आई डोंट थिंक सो सुबह को पुलिस था. अगर वो सिर्फ वो पोस्ट की वजह से कोई बोल रहा है देन वो सुबह को, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. प्लस अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि नहीं सुबह को, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब न्यूज गया होगा only then media would have come there, because the police was trying to do a cover up, so the police would not have called media, right? So अगर कोई भी वहां पे पिक्चर्स ले रहा होगा, वीडियो ले रहा होगा, वो सुबह का नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि वो जब न्यूज गया होगा सुसाइड के बारे में कि अरे सुशांत सिंह ने सुसाइड कर लिया, दैट्स व्हेन मीडिया स्टार्टेड गोइंग देयर. सो द फैक्ट दैट कुछ चीजें जो अगर दिखा रहे होंगे कि ये सुबह के पिक्चर्स है या सुबह के वीडियोस है, आई डोंट थिंक सो इट माइट बी सुबह के पिक्चर्स और वीडियोस. दैट विल बी समथिंग टू एनालाइज एक्चुअली. आफ्टरनून का हो सकता है, 11 के बाद हो सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि न्यूज 11:30 या 12 को ही आ गया था करके. वो हो सकता है, दैट इज समथिंग वी कैन लाइक लुक डीप इनटू एंड सी, बट सुबह के नहीं हो सकते, वो बोल रही हूँ. द पुलिस मैन विद इन 15 मिनट्स डिक्लेयर सुसाइड. यस राइट, एग्जैक्टली वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. पुलिस के ऊपर ही करना पड़ेगा उनको चार्जशीट पहले तो, कि पुलिस वहां पे, क्योंकि पुलिस ही है जो कवर अप कर रही है सब कुछ. पुलिस को पता है, जो गए हैं वहां पे, जो उस रूम में थे उस दिन, उनको सब कुछ पता है. कवर अप कर रहे थे ठीक है, बट उनको जो देखा है वो तो पता होगा ना उनको. वो बड़े लोगों के लिए कवर अप कर रहे होंगे, बट जो देखा होगा, दोस थिंग्स दे विल नो. If they have seen two bodies, they will know. Modi ji allowed Akshay to, that is why you see the same set of people managing, whether they are inside the house, whether they come to the Cooper, whether the same set of people are there managing everything, everywhere. Managing the body, managing, with the ambulance. Yeah, Modi ji allowed Akshay to interview him, invited Karan, Ekta Ranveer, I wasn't. Yeah, see, that is just part of what he does, right? As inviting cultural people. Bollywood is like that cultural side of it for us in India, right? So that was the whole thing about that. It's not got to do anything. Modi ji is personal with them. He's not personal with them. So that's different. Um, but by July it was established. Yes, it was established a murder. But वो जब रिया से बात करेगी, वो इसी तरह बात करेगी ना, to get information. Because if you see, वो जब भी रिया से भी बात की है, she has recorded her audios and she has given it to the public. So she could be talking like that to get information from her. क्योंकि रिया के हिसाब से तो सुसाइड है, तो वो तो बात करेगी तो उसी तरह से बात करेगी. एंड उसमें भी उसने बोला भी था कि ये सब है. और जो इनिशियली जो ट्वीट्स आए हैं या मैसेजेस आए हैं, जहाँ पे शी इज टॉकिंग टू रिया एंड शी इज टेलिंग कि या व्हाई डोंट यू गो टू द कॉज, बिकॉज रिया इज टेलिंग हर अबाउट कि अरे वो लोग मेरा ये नहीं दे रहे हैं, वो नहीं दे रहे हैं, एंड शी वांट्स हर क्लोथ्स और शूज और व्हाटएवर, राइट. एंड दैट टाइम शी इज टेलिंग या यू गो टू द कॉप. दैट्स जस्ट अ जनरल स्टेटमेंट. वो तो कोई भी बोलेगा, राइट, दैट अच्छा तुम्हें ये नहीं मिल रहा है, वो नहीं मिल रहा है फैमिली से, अच्छा देन यू गो टू द कॉप एंड गेट इट, राइट. Just a general statement. See, those things I'm not going to put her on spot for, because those are general kind of messages that you can give. But what I would put her on spot for is, yes, that pool of blood thing she has told. And then now that she's kind of made a U-turn and trying to bring up this lawyer thing, where he's propagating suicide. These are all the things, that main things that I would question her. Why did you mean by channel itna sara blood? Correct. That is what I would question, which she's never answered till now. That's exactly Dr. Padma said last year. She was not close to his sir. Exactly. She was not close on a personal level. All her videos you see are only on her calling them for all these mehfils, because she knows they're interested in literature, mehfils, Ghana and all that. So these are all the people that only get together at that time. So she would invite them, they would come, enjoy the music, be nice to her. Then you see pictures with her hugging him, whatever, him hugging her or whatever. Those are all just pictures that in the mehfil, right? So kyunki he's coming, having a good time at their house in those things, and then they're going away. And then maybe when she calls them for all this kind of NGO stuff and all, is coming, trying to help them, maybe investing in all her stuff. That is the relation with her. Nothing to do with her being close. जैसे कि मुझे याद है एक, that is when I doubted her actually. ये उज्जवल जी के ही चैनल पे था. Nobody has focused on that. Maybe I'll talk about it some other day, not today, because nobody focused on it. But that is where I caught her lie that okay, she's exaggerating here. क्योंकि जब कोई कुछ बोलता है, जब वो एक थोड़ा सा ट्रुथ बोलता है, उसके बाद जब एग्जैजरेट करने लगता है, यू कैन कैच देम वेरी इजीली. And that is the point I caught her at that point. But I let it go because she's fighting for SSR, and even if she's not close and you're just to show off, if you're telling that I'm close, it's okay. So that's how I looked at it at that point. Because in one point she says, actually let me tell, she says कि जब वो सारा अली खान के साथ ब्रेकअप हुआ था and all, right? That time she says that हाँ एक दिन वो what उसके लैब पे सर रखा था and he was telling कि ये सब लड़कियां ऐसे क्यों होती है, something like that. I don't believe that. That is something like too much that she's telling, that which I feel like she might just be telling to show that how close she is with him. So that could be a lie. If you now go back and see Republic video, you will see that she was reading something or someone was directing her. Where yes, someone was directing her because she was reading family statement. Go see that again. She is reading what Meetu Didi had told her. That's why बार बार वो अर्नब भी बोलते हैं कि you are conveying family's message, and she says yes. जो मीतू दीदी ने उसको बोला है वो कन्वे कर रही थी, जैसे मीतू दीदी ने उसको बोला था. That's why she was trying to be very careful in what she is telling, what she is reading, because that is because she came forward as trying to help them. So that's why maybe, you know, Priyanka Didi or Meetu, because Priyanka knows her. Priyanka and her husband know her. You will see them in a lot of pictures in those mehfils, right? So that's why she might be reading there. Pitani, Deepesh or anyone else says any time cases are डरे हुए थे. क्या पिटानी और दीपेश? Yeah, Pitani says दीपेश को तो हमने देखा ही नहीं है कहीं पे, because he's a very main guy, and that's why he's never come in media in the front anywhere, because he's the drug guy. That's why. So yes, they have, Pitani has told. All the housemates are prime suspects, yes, and all are missing except Pitani. Strange, exactly. नहीं, सी नीरज वीरज से उनको स्टेटमेंट मिल गया होगा, राइट? बट मुझे अभी भी लगता है सैमुअल वाज द वन जो पैसा निकाल रहा था बैंक से, करेक्ट? एंड ही वाज द वन जो रिया के साथ बात कर रहा था अबाउट पिन्स, बैंक पिन्स एंड ऑल. सो ही इज अ मेन गाय फॉर मी. सैमुअल मिरांडा इज अ मेन गाय फॉर मी. दीपेश सावंत इज अ मेन गाय फॉर मी, बिकॉज सारे फोन कॉल्स और जो भी कम्युनिकेशन हो रहे थे वो दीपेश के फोन से हो रहे थे, पिटानी के फोन से हो रहे थे फॉर SSR. Okay, because something was going on, people were threatening SSR. These people knew it. These two are the people who knew it. So the conversations, even till the day of 14th, was going on from their phone, right? So these three people are the main for me, not really Neeraj and Keshav either. These three. And again, these are the two people who actually got the body down, right? Again, it is Deepesh and Pitani. So they are the main people who got the body down. And again, if you go back and see a lot of interviews, you will see that he's trying to say another name, Pitani. Has anybody noticed that? He tries to say, Republica interview देखो आप, वहां पे he says कौन कौन थे जब अर्नब पूछता है, right? He says ये नीरज था, केशव था, ये था, हाँ उतना है, like that. He thinks something, but then he doesn't say it and he stops there. Has anybody noticed that? मुझे बताओ अगर किसी ने वो notice किया है तो. Freeze add some logic to track sequence of events with the time on 14th. Hemaji tried to do a session if he's interested on that. Once clear discussion. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure because Freeze has never contacted me for a long time, so I'm not sure. But I did watch that on Lovely channel today. That he did share a lot of things. So. So yeah, as long as he's sharing, you know, it doesn't matter where he's sharing, right? He can still share it on other platforms also. It doesn't matter, क्योंकि जो important चीजें हैं कि जो भी है सोशल मीडिया पे वो शेयर हो जाए. That is what is important for us right now. बट उसी के ऊपर मैं बोल रही थी, जो मैंने एक्चुअली वहां पे भी कमेंट किया था कि मुझे नहीं लगता है कि वो सुबह का सीन था, वो नहीं लगता. बट yes, all the other things that he was showing, yes, we have to question all the people, because that we know from day one that we have seen everybody there. If you remember, गीता मागो ने भी बहुत पहले एक वीडियो किया था जहाँ पे she had showed lot of people. So everybody in the room are always have been questionable, correct? So yes, we have to question CBI that why all the people who are coming, going, everybody, right? पिकनिक स्पॉट बन गया था वो तो. अर्नब के रिपब्लिक पे ही हमने देखा था जब यू नो रिपब्लिक पे दैट शोड कि ये पॉकेट में क्या है इसके, वो आदमी को भी दिखाया था रिपब्लिक पे. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, दैट शोड दैट वो जो पॉकेट पे डायरी की तरह दिख रहा है जो लेके जा रहे हैं वो जो पिक्चर, इफ यू रिमेम्बर, राइट? सो ये सब एवरीबॉडी, एवरी यूट्यूबर हैज बीन क्वेश्चनिंग ऑन दैट कि ये लोग सब कौन है, क्या पकड़ के ले जा रहे हैं. कोई बैग पकड़ा है, कोई डायरी पकड़ा है, कोई कुछ पकड़ा है. सो we need to question that. And CBI has not questioned them till today. Even though it's there from last year, nobody has questioned them. कि ये क्या, कौन है ये लोग जो अंदर बाहर हो रहे थे करके. She has made a U-turn as per thought. Many people are collecting info about her NGO in Palghar. Hope you got it. Yes, I know. I have also seen some of that stuff. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, जो ये सब एनजीओ सब मैनेज करते हैं, राइट, इनके बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकते हैं जो इलीगली बहुत कुछ चीजें कर रहे होंगे ये लोग, उस डर से भी ये चुप हो जाते हैं कभी कभी कि हमारी चीजें बाहर में आ जाए करके. हाउ डू वी मेक श्योर दैट दिया शेयर्ड ऑल द डिटेल्स? दिया, who is दिया? Disha, acha. For Sushant, she was just a manager. They are very short. Yes, they have very short professional relationship. But अगर किसी पार्टी में वो गई होगी एंड कुछ हुआ होगा, and because the same persons are related to Sushant, if it is Shobik, Riya, same person related to Sushant, right, at that time, because Riya was the girlfriend and Shobik was close to Sushant. So उस वजह से दिशा ने कुछ चीजें बताई होगी सुशांत को. That's what I'm telling. तो उस वहां पे वो रिलेशनशिप बनता है. प्लस दे वर वर्किंग ऑन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. दिशा वॉज मैनेजिंग कॉर्नरस्टोन, राइट, फॉर हिम. So if she would have seen any kind of financial trail or any kind of financial thing going from Quan to Ria and would have mentioned him, that is why I'm telling, they were not like very close or something, but if she would have seen something weird going on, if she would have mentioned him, because if you see, May month is when he got strict with his money, when he started focusing and looking at his money. He was not caring about his money till then, okay? That is when, because he was letting his staff handle everything, each and everything. But May, he kind of started doubting things, and that is when you see him sending messages to the bank manager, like doing all those things, correct? तो उस टाइम पे उसको बहुत डाउट हुआ होगा. वो डाउट कहां से हुआ होगा? हो सकता है दिशा ने भी कुछ बोला होगा, not because that she wants to tell about Ria. She would have just noticed something that's going on with Quan Cornerstone financially. She would have told that to him. That, like, for example, she would have told ki, oh, I'm seeing that Ria is getting paid for such and such thing. Is she working with you on this, or is she working on that, or something? Then इसके मन में, दिमाग में डाउट आ गया होगा कि what's going on, correct? One thing. Another thing, ये मैंने पहले भी अपने सेशन में, I don't know which session, maybe when we did on Disha, we talked about it, where clearly एक message में Disha talks about an endorsement, and she says, do you and who is that girl, Ria, want to do it together? And he does not reply to that. He says no, and I don't want to, like, ये वाला हम नहीं करेंगे या whatever he says. Go back and see my Disha video. I think in that I shared that chat, जो chat इसके और इसके. So why was Sushant not wanting to do something together with Ria, right? Basically कुछ ना कुछ उसको May month में पता चला होगा, कुछ ना कुछ चीजें, कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ यहाँ पे हो रहा है पैसे का, right? It's not just that कि वो shopping कर रही है, पैसा लुटा रही है, but something else is going on. That's what he would have realized at that time. So that's the kind of connection I'm making with Disha and Sushant. Not really like closely बात कर रहे होंगे, but professionally भी जो information वो दे रही होगी, that would have made Sushant realize a lot of things. And अगर वो personally information in the sense that she would have gone to some party and seen something that is related to Shobik or related to Ria, and she would have conveyed that to Sushant, then that's where the problem was. Deepaji, thank you. Smita SSR shared a good rapport, right? There are videos of them having happy conversations, music sessions. Exactly. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. That's the kind of relation she had with him. It was all about the literature, music, and all that. You would have seen one last interview she did with him. In that you can clearly see कि वो पूरा उसका face अलग दिखता है, विकास का बोल रही हूँ, SSR का, and he looks very disturbed or very. So that is the prime time, right? End time में I think she interviewed him. But उस time में भी I don't think she was close enough to ask him that what is going on, is something bothering you, why you look different. I don't think she was that close in that way. She was probably not close in that way to ask him personal stuff. But we can see in that interview, she did interview him, right? So in that way, I'm telling that kind of closeness was there. That's all. That professional kind of closeness. अच्छा, मैं एक्चुअली पिटानी की बात कर रही थी, राइट? सो पिटानी का जो इंटरव्यू हुआ था रिपब्लिक में, जब अर्नब ने उसको पूछा था कौन कौन वहां पे थे, डू यू गाइस रिमेंबर हिम काइंड ऑफ स्टटरिंग एंड स्टॉपिंग एट द पॉइंट की टेलिंग दैट अच्छा ये थे ये था, और and then he thinks and then he doesn't tell another name and then he just stops it there, हाँ इतने ही थे. So to me it seems like, was Samuel Miranda also there in the house, but this guy did not mention, because maybe Samuel Miranda was there only in the night to handle some things with them with the body and not in the morning. समझ रहे मैं क्या लाइक बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ? So somewhere I have a lot of doubt that Samuel Miranda might have been there in the house helping these guys to handle the situation, but maybe he was not there in that morning time जब ये अभी लाइक यू नो बोलने अनाउंस करने वाले थे डेथ का whatever. That time maybe he was not there. Maybe that's why he stopped. He wanted to say a name, but he didn't say a name. Go back and watch that. You will see that he stops there and he thinks something and then he says no. इतने ही थे. Either Pitani is a scapegoat or too involved. He's a scapegoat. But हमारे लिए तो अभी वो इन्वॉल्व ही है. हम तो ऐसे ही सोचेंगे उसको डालने तो पूरा लाइफ लॉन्ग जेल अगर वो कुछ बात नहीं करेगा. His Telugu news interviews last year about Sushant were normal, but he was jittery in Times Now and Republic. Right. He's a very confusing personality for sure, Swapnaji. You're right. Maybe Disha saw Shovik engaged in something suspicious, informed her wants. Exactly. Pitani is very clearly in favor of parasite female and related people and not in favor of Sushant. Yes, he is. Arinya ji, Pitani is an intelligent crook. Yes, he is very, like how Advocate Vikas ji was saying correctly, correct. Was there. This is what I was thinking too. Correct, Deepa ji. Even मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है. क्योंकि that is why the next day Samuel was there to handle everything also with the staff, right? Whereas because body के साथ जो handle कर रहे थे वो थे Sandeep, Samuel, and then all the people who were in the room who were handling the body, right? Whether it's ambulance guys and all the people. There also you see Samuel. But you don't see Pitani in any of those videos. So he was kind of in the back end. We only see one video where he's in the back somewhere, right? So he probably was supposed, so they were divided their work kind of. तो ये लोग सब हैंडल करेंगे, तो ये लोग जब बॉडी को सब लेके चले जाएंगे, तो यहाँ जो क्लीनिंग होगा घर में, जो भी फैमिली आने से पहले जो भी ये चीजें करेंगे, इसका रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शायद पिटानी, नीरज और केशव को था. करेक्ट. दैट्स व्हाई दीस पीपल वेर द पीपल हु वेर ऑल लाइक आराम से कुक कर रहे थे एवरीथिंग. जब फैमिली वेंट टू द हाउस they were all there आराम से कुकिंग चल रहा था and everything, right? So these people, and Pitani stayed there till I think July 10th or something. July 10th or 15th he stayed in the house. So of course he was responsible for cleaning up the things there, doing all those kind of stuff. And then of course on the 14th we saw all the people who came in and out and taking things out. So anything that would have a fingerprint, anything like that, right? Or drug thing, everything was taken out from there, from the people that these people would have got or hired and told, अच्छा जाओ ये सब चीजें निकालो उस घर से and लाओ करके, right? So they would have